Okay, so till now we have learned a few tenses. In this video, we learn a new mood, the imperative mood, which in French is called l'impératif. Yes? See, l'impératif présent, that's what we learn. Okay, so basically it's not a new tense, but a different mood. It is used for a few things like to give an order, to give an instruction, instruction, un ordre, une instruction, une requête, to make a request. Okay, une suggestion, to make a suggestion. And un conseil, to give an advice. Okay, for all these reasons, we use imperative. Okay, you have used this in English as well, like come here, turn left, cut all the vegetables, stay silent, respect the rules, eat well. You see, what is common in all these? That there is no subject, pas de sujet. We don't need a subject for this one. Okay, we can directly use the verb. Okay, so we have pas de sujet. Okay, and the second thing, it is for order, instruction, advice. So we cannot talk or we cannot use this for je, il, elle. You cannot use these for all the subjects. Okay, these are only for tu, nous, and vous. Okay, if I'm talking to someone, I can give an instruction, I can make a request, suggestion, advice, anything. But I do not do it to myself. Or I cannot do it to a third person. I'm not talking to that person and still I give advice or instruction. No. So it's basically to tu and vous, the person you're talking to, or nous, okay, including you, okay, you yourself or me myself. Nous. Yes, because we say no, let's go, let's talk, let's eat at a restaurant. Okay, so that I'm talking to we, okay, I'm talking to us. So it can be used in only three forms: tu, nous, and vous forms. Okay, so its conjugation will also be in these three forms. Okay, la conjugaison, not very difficult because it is like present tense. For example, we have er ending verbs. Okay, for that, what do? We have tu, nous, and vous forms. Let's take, for example, parler. Okay, we'll take parler as an example. So, in present tense, it's tu parles, nous parlons, vous parlez. Yes, what do we do over here? It's the same, just that we remove the subject. Yes, directly. Parle, parlons, parler. The only change will be to remove the S. Okay, we remove the S from the tu form, only the tu form of er ending verbs. Okay, it cannot be removed from the nu form or in any other verb, ir ending or re ending verbs. No, we don't do that. Only in tu form of er ending verbs, we remove the S. Okay, the pronunciation doesn't change, but when we write, it changes. Okay, it's the same with ale. Okay, ale is also er ending. So what do we have? We have tua, but obviously without the subject, and we remove the S. Allons, allez, just like the present tense, but without the subject. So Allons-y. Let's go there. Or let's go. Allons-y. Okay, one example over here. Parle lentement. Okay, speak slowly. That's how we can use it. Secondly, if it is IR or RE ending verb. Okay, IR or RE ending verb. What do we do? It is just like the present tense. Okay, let's take for example finir. Okay, so fini, finissons, finissez. Okay, it's like the present tense. No change. We don't remove any letter, we don't add any letter. That's it. Okay. For example, finissez le travail avant 8 heures. Yes. Finish or complete the work before 8 o'clock. Yes, that can be an order, an instruction. So, in the same way, we can take another verb that is prendre. Okay, to take. It's also conjugated in present tense, just without the subject. So, prends, prenons, prenez. Yes, we don't remove anything here. We can say, prends soin de toi. Take care of yourself. Yes, that's how it is. But obviously, there are exceptions here also. Okay, but 4 of them. Okay, exception. The first one is the exception, être. Always an exception. Okay, it doesn't leave any tense. Être is soit. Okay, tu form is soit, nous form is soyons, and vous form is soyez. Okay, so what does it mean exactly? So it is be. Okay, just be. If we want to say be patient, sois patient. Yes. Or if we want to say with vous, soyez patient. Yes. That's what it is. Just be. Starting the sentence with be. Okay. Then if we take avoir, which is again an exception, we have a for tu form, then ayons, nous form, and ayez for vous form. Okay. We can say have some confidence. So, ayez de la confiance. Yes, that's what we can say. Thirdly, we have savoir. Okay. Savoir is sache, sachons, sachez. Know. Okay, to know something. That is sache, sachons, sachez. Okay. So we can say sache parler français. Okay. Know how to speak French. Okay. Sache parler français. Okay. Or sache cuisiner. Okay. Sachez cuisiner. Okay. Know how to cook. That's for savoir. And lastly, we have vouloir. Okay. Vouloir is very different in imperative. Sometimes we have the same form, voulons, voulez. Yes, this exists. But in other context, we have veuille, voyons, voyez. Okay. Like we say, kindly be patient. Okay. It's a polite form of requesting. Okay. So we request using this. Veuillez vérifier mon email. kindly verify my email. Okay. Then, veuillez vous asseoir. Yes. So, what is this? S'il vous plaît. We can add it for more politeness. Okay. No, ignore this. Okay. This is veuillez vous asseoir, s'il vous plaît. This is the verb s'asseoir, that is to sit down. Okay. So here, this is not the subject. Okay. This is the pronoun because the verb is s'asseoir. Okay. Then veuillez patienter, s'il vous plaît. Kindly wait, right? Veuillez patienter, s'il vous plaît, or veuillez patienter. So, kindly wait. That's how we use this one, and it is a very, very formal one. Okay. So, and it's also used while writing emails and formal messages and all. Okay. So, that's it for imperative. Okay. The uses, the conjugation, and everything that you should know. Okay. Oui, voilà. C'est tout. Merci.